Greetings and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll show you how to write a donation letter for a school. This letter serves as a formal request for financial support or resources to help fund educational programs. You will start your letter by including your school's name, followed by its address, city, state, and zip code. This provides the recipient with the necessary information about where the letter is coming from. After that, include the date the letter is being sent. This helps the recipient know when the request was made. Next, you will add the recipient's details. Write their name and title or position, ensuring that you are addressing them properly. Then, include the name of their company or organization, along with the address, city, state, and zip code. This ensures that the letter reaches the right person in the correct organization. After that, write, "I hope this message finds you well. At school name, we are dedicated to fostering an environment where students can learn, grow, and achieve their full potential. This year, we are excited to launch specific program or initiative, e.g., a new library renovation project or an extracurricular STEM program, which will significantly enhance the educational experiences of our students. To make this vision a reality, we are reaching out to compassionate individuals and organizations like yours for support. Your generous donation can make a lasting impact on the lives of our students by providing them with specific benefits, e.g., modern learning tools, better facilities, or resources to fuel their creativity. We would be deeply grateful if you could contribute to this initiative and join us in building a brighter future for our community. Please feel free to contact us at contact information for further details. Thank you for considering this opportunity to make a difference. Sincerely, your name, your position, school name. Here's the sample donation letter for a school we've prepared. Notice how it clearly outlines the purpose of the donation, provides essential details about the school and the initiative, and includes a clear request for support. By following this format step by step, you can create a professional letter that effectively communicates the importance of your cause and encourages potential donors to contribute. And with that, I wrap up today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful letter writing tips.